Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat notifications not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and the notifications of Snapchat are not showing or not working properly, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you can see the option of notifications. You need to click on it, and guys after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you need to select the app in which your notifications are not working. So guys, my app is Snapchat, and Snapchat notifications are not working properly. So guys, simply you need to click on that app. And guys after this you need to turn on this tab. So guys, if it is turned off, then you need to turn on it. And guys after this you need to turn on this as well. And guys after this you need to make sure that all of these three options, lock screen, notification center, and banners. So guys, if it's not selected, then guys you need to select all of these. And guys after this, here is the option of sounds. So guys, make sure that it is on. So guys, if it is off, then guys you not be able to hear the notification sound on your iPhone. So guys, when you are receiving notifications, then sound are not working. So guys, simply you need to turn on this sound option. And guys after doing this, you need to go back. And guys after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your settings again. And guys after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you need to find that app. So guys, I am finding Snapchat here. So guys, simply you need to click on this app. And guys after this, you need to click on notifications. Here you can see notifications tab. You need to click on it. And guys, you will see same type of interface. So guys, simply you need to turn all of these. And guys, check all of these and turn on sound as well. And guys after doing this, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to see notifications of Snapchat on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.